am trying out mango wood for the first time. It's a soft, hard wood, if that makes sense, but it's strong and durable, beautiful colors, nice patterns. And I've decided to add this piece of kingwood. Most likely it'll be a simple form of the base being the kingwood, possibly some artwork in the middle, and I don't like the bands there. Maybe without the bands and just artwork there. Just a quick safety tip, since I segmented this piece, I have varying grain directions, so I am not going to use a spindle roughing gouge, so I'll either use carbide or a bowl gouge. So far, I'm getting some very cool grain patterns and colors. After roughing out the basic shape, I added a dovetail tenon on the end so I can move it to my scroll chuck and hollow out the hole for the glass insert tube. And I added a couple of lines there you can see on the mango wood that will be a section for some artwork or detail later, just so I have some visual reference right now as I'm creating the form. I also want the edge of the base and the edge of the rim on the top of the base to be the same diameter. Well, somewhat of the same diameter. I also wanted the top of the vase angle to be similar to the angle on the base. I cleaned up the sanding, grit, and dust with some rubbing alcohol and applied a few coats, 3 of a no wax friction polish before mounting the vase to my 4-jaw scroll chuck to bore out the glass tube hole. All that's left now is cleaning up the bottom, adding my stamp of approval. Then with some gilt creams, I added a wind element type design for the upcoming new year. Winds of change. I also ended up adding random blotches of blue and red cream over sections of the mango wood, blending the blotches in with some rubbing alcohol for some added points of interest. Once again, I really like how this project came out, and I love making these bud vases. The mango wood was really easy to turn. It's beautiful. Definitely recommend you trying it out. It didn't really have a smell, which I thought it might, but it didn't. So I hope you stuck around to the very end. Enjoyed the show. And as always, stay safe in your shop at all times. Take care, and thank you.